I need your help. This is going to be hard, but I need to learn. I would like to become a car guy.
Don't trip, bro. Your boy K9 got you. Here's my 5 tips for somebody new who wants to get into cars here in 2025. Number 1, you need to find a mentor. This could be a family member, friend, neighbor, or a coworker. Someone you know who is into cars or does car-related things, going to car shows, maybe they even just do basic maintenance on their cars. This is the person you're going to want to hang out with and start associating with more, because they're going to help you build the skills and the knowledge you need to start moving forward in your journey as a car person. If you don't have someone like this, I understand. The great thing is we have social media. There's tons of creators out there you can follow that can help you learn just from watching their content, as you've already done, which is good. That's the first step. Number 2, learn how your car actually works. Understand how the engine works, transmission, your differential. How does the power from the engine get put down to the wheels? Understanding these basics will make things easier. You can read the owner's manual of your vehicle, or you can even look online for what's called a factory service manual, which is usually what technicians use to diagnose and repair the cars. These will go a little bit more in depth because they are made for the technicians and mechanics, but they'll also help you build a better understanding and the right terminology for things. Number 3, keep it simple, stupid. Don't go jumping into this thinking you're going to start building a race car or modifying your car. Maintenance is 100% the first thing any car should be done, whether it's just a daily driver or it's a car you actually want to modify and drive hard. Learn how to do your basic maintenance. It doesn't even have to be your fluids. You can start by even just learning how to change your light bulbs for your cars, or even your headlights, because some cars you have to change the whole headlight, which isn't too hard depending on the vehicle. Number 4, attend car shows and car meets, preferably in the daytime, just because the crowds are a little more tame and a lot better. Cars and Coffee is a very popular name amongst a lot of people. You can find a lot of exotics, a whole bunch of different cars. You'll be able to meet people, ask them what they do for work, how did they even get into cars and what made them like the car they have. That's one of the biggest tips, is getting out into the community and meeting other people. Tip number 5, build your tool set. Harbor Freight is one of the best places for someone who wants to get into cars, because you can get every tool you need at such an affordable price. Don't think you need to go ball out on fancy tools. No. You can get literally everything you need from Harbor Freight, and you won't even spend that much. But don't blame me when you walk into Harbor Freight and before you walk out, you have enough tools in your mind that you want to buy to start up a shop. It's okay. It happens to all of us, I promise. So with those 5 tips being said, you guys let me know, out of those 5, what's the tip that you're struggling with the most right now? Is it finding people to associate with, or is it the actual learning part and doing jobs? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you follow your boy. Here's your bonus tip. Cars are such a wormhole of information, and it can lead you to so many opportunities and careers. You could be a mechanic, you could be someone that fabricates if you get into welding, you can be a painter, photographer, videographer. There are so many outlets that cars can help you do and achieve. It's crazy.